Now next topic is 5 variable K-map. So 5 variable means 32 cells should be there. 2 to the power 5, 32 cell should be there in a K-map. So what we do, we implement it in 2 different parts of 16 cells each. So 4 variables PQRS, 4 variables PQRS are in both the K-map. And how to associate this one? This K-map is corresponding to x is equal to 0. This K-map is corresponding to x is equal to 1. So all in all, you can see P, Q, R, S and X are 5 variables. 32 cells are there in total. So now we want to know how groups we will make in this one and what will be the simplified expression after making the groups. See, either a group will be associated with the first part or it will be associated with the second part, and it can be associated with both first part and second part also. I will show you the demonstration here. See, for example, this group is associated only with this first part of the K-map. Now, what is the simplified term for this one? See, before that, let me complete the structure of K-map. So it is P complement, Q complement, P complement Q, P Q, P Q complement, R complement, S complement, R complement S, R S, R S complement. See in this one also. P complement, Q complement, P complement Q, P Q, P Q complement, R complement, S complement, R complement S, R S, R S complement. Now, very important, x is equal to 0 will correspond to x complement, x is equal to 1 will correspond to normal x. Like s is equal to 1, so it is normal s, s is equal to 0 is complemented s. In the same way, x is equal to 0 is complemented x, and this x equal to 1 is normal x. Now see the term for this pair. So from here q complement is common, from here q complement is common, and from this side R complement, S complement is common. Q complement is common, R complement, S complement is common, and this K-map is corresponding to X complement. This pair is corresponding to X complement and not with X. This corresponds to X complement only, so last term will be X complement. In the same way, please see here. In the same way, this group is associated with normal x. This group is associated with normal x. What is the term for this one? From here, P is common. From this side, R complement S is common. This is the term for this pair. Now, this pair is associated with x or it is associated with X complement. Obviously, it is associated with x, so I will write x here. See, now come to this quad. Now this quad is present in both the K-map. Exactly same position quad is present in both the K-maps. So now this one term will come from here, another term will come from here. This term will be P complement, this term will be P complement, and R is common from this side. Again, this will be P complement common and R from this side. This group is corresponding to X complement, this group is corresponding to X, so these two will combinedly give me P complement R. Because X plus X complement will be reduced. So what is the conclusion? Conclusion is, if I have a group corresponding to x complement only, I will write x complement. If I have a group corresponding to x only, I will write x. But if I have a group which correspond to both x complement and x, I will not write x or x complement, since x complement and x will get reduced. So what is the final answer of the complete 5 variable K-map? This is the first term, q complement, r complement, s complement, x complement plus. This is the second term, p r complement s x plus. This is the third term, p complement r. Very simple logic you have to follow. If this term is with x complement, write x complement. If this term is for corresponding to x, write x. If a term is present, exactly same term is present in both the K-map, don't write x or x complement, because x plus x complement will get reduced. This is the basic concept of 5 variable K-map. Now you see here. This question was given to us in the GATE exam. This question was given to us in the GATE exam. You can see in your workbook question number 26. You can see workbook question number 26. This K-map came 5 variable K-map in the GATE exam. So question number 26 of your workbook. See, first let me complete the structure of the K-map. So this is P complement, Q complement, P complement Q, PQ, PQ complement, PQ, this is RS, this is RS. So it will give you R complement, S complement, R complement S, RS, RS complement. Same here, P complement, Q complement, P complement Q, PQ, PQ complement, R complement, S complement, R complement S, RS, RS complement. X is equal to 0 means x complement, x is equal to 1 means normal x. Now see, the grouping which came in exam was very easy. This squared is only for x complement and this squared is only for x. This squared is only for x complement and this squared is only for x. So what is the term in the answer? This is q complement is common from this side, s is common from this side, and this term is corresponding to x complement, so it is x complement. Now what is the term for this one? See, from there q is common, from this side s complement is common, and this pair is corresponding to x, so we will write an x here. So this is the final answer which you can find in your option. This pair is associated with x complement, so we have written x complement. This pair is associated with x, so we have written x. If there is any group which is present in both the K-map, if there is any group which is present in both the K-map, don't use x complement, because x complement plus x will be reduced. So this is the answer of the question.